Imagine turning your love for video games into real money. With Brickz, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Now let's dive into the world of Brickz, a free app that transforms your gaming passion into tangible rewards. It's not just about playing, it's about earning while doing what you love. Brickz isn't any ordinary gaming app, it's a vast gaming universe teeming with a wide variety of games. From puzzle games to thrilling adventures, there's something for everyone. But the real game changer, every gameplay grants you ticket rewards, your golden tickets to a trove of really big prizes. And the accessibility? It's as simple as a tap on your screen. With over 100,000 downloads and a stellar rating of 4.4 stars from nearly 10,000 reviews. It's evident that Brickz is hitting the right chords with gamers worldwide. Brickz isn't just a gaming app, it's a ticket to a world where playtime can pay off big time. But don't just take our word for it, listen to some of our big winners. First up, we have Sarah from Boston. She was just whiling away on her Sunday afternoon when she struck gold on Brickz. She won a whopping $5,000. Sarah says, "I never thought I'd win anything, let alone $5,000. The thrill was beyond words." Next, meet Mike from Miami. A dedicated gamer, Mike was thrilled to find out that he could play his favorite games and win real money on Brickz. He won a brand new iPhone. Brickz is a game changer. I play, I win, it's as easy as that, shares Mike. And it's not just Sarah and Mike. We have thousands of winners from all across the globe. All of them started off just like you, playing games on Brickz, and ended up turning their fun into tangible rewards. The thing that all these winners have in common, they took a chance on Brickz. They played the games, collected their tickets, and reaped the rewards. It's as simple as that. No tricks, no gimmicks, just pure, unadulterated fun with the sweet bonus of real prizes. These are real people, just like you, who turned fun into funds with Brickz. Now it's your turn. Imagine the thrill of each game, the anticipation of each ticket reward. Picture yourself playing, winning, and the joy that follows. That could be you with Brickz. A world of fun and the potential for real prizes is just a tap away. So why wait? Download Brickz today and start making money from your gaming. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Your next big win could be just a game away.